Hello guys, welcome to vlog 10. It's 9:36 in the morning. It's very boring day today, so there is no topic to shoot. But still I am trying to do a vlog. I am trying to upload daily vlog, but I don't have that much of content ideas to upload daily vlogs. I was thinking motovlogging is easy in the beginning, but when I started vlogging daily, then I realized that it is not so easy to upload daily vlogs. I don't know why these truck drivers uses third lane to drive. Third lanes are for fast moving vehicles, but this truckers acquires that. It is really very boring day. I don't have mood to drive fast, so I am only maintaining speed of 70 to 80 km per hour. It is morning time, so there is no traffic on this road. I think Nashik is in the list of very few cities in India that have so much of flyovers. Infrastructure of our country is getting better day by day, but in the name of development, government is cutting pocket of middle class peoples. Wow, I thought it is a morning time, so there will be no traffic in this area. This area is known by very famous hotel in Nasik, Jatra Hotel. Just look at that truck driver who is driving in front of me. He is driving so fast on city roads. Oh shit, have you look at that? He was nearly about to hit that tree. This kind of drivers don't care about their as well as other people's life too. He is driving a heavy loaded vehicle. Still, he is in the speed of 70 to 80 km per hour. I will not overtake him for some time. I just want to see how he is driving. Just look at him, how he is driving in non-overtaking lanes. Okay, in this area he will be not able to drive fast, so I am going to overtake him now. Actually, from today I want to start working on my business website, but I don't have that much of code to do that. In India, government knows that no one follows traffic rules, so they just build speed breakers. Nasikkars are more lazier than Mumbaikars because average shop opening timing in Nasik is nearly 10:30 a.m. Just look at this. It's 9:45 a.m. and in my left side you can see most of the shops are closed. Okay, so it's time to end my vlog here. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.